Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to this video. We're going to be teaching you how to do 90s. We're going to teach you how to do ramp rushes. We're going to teach you how to do high ground. So this is how we do it. So this is our 1v1 arena. We're just going to start off here, do ramp rushes, do everything. So this is our first 90. Our first 90 is going to be a beginner 90. So this is a beginner 90. You just stand still, build one, like a circle. Place a floor, or you don't have to place a floor. And then keep going like this. Faster, 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 and build up one. Faster, 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 build up one. You usually want to do 3 up, and that's it. And you usually put it down, or do whatever you want after that. Now we're gonna show you a medium, so like someone that's in between. So this is called a spider 90. You don't place a wall right there, and you just keep going up. Up, and you keep going up and up and up. Alright, I Harry Potter myself, so that's bad. But now I'm going to show you an expert 90. An expert 90 is a pro 90, where you got to go like this. It's like really hard, but you place a floor and you start from the middle. You go like that. And go faster. Alright, let's do this. You usually want to do 2 only because you're going to lose your mouse and your desk. But I'm going to keep going. Alright, now we're going to teach you ramp rushes. So this is beginning ramp rush, just normal. Alright, this is medium. Alright, this is normal, just no floor. Alright. Now you can combine these and do like double of this, but we're just gonna show you the singles. Alright, and now we're gonna show you what's it called? We're gonna show you this is beginner, medium, and this is gonna be hard. Hard is like not that hard, but it's hard. And you can start flexing some 90s if you want. But alright, now we're going to show you how to get high ground. We're going to show you face ways. We're going to show you everything. So this is how first one. So you got to build up, place a pyramid. Alright. This is how you don't get shot. Or if you want to do double, you can. So that's the first one. That was like the easiest one you could do. I'm going to show you like an easy one, but not that hard. Place a pyramid, jump to the side, place a floor, and keep going. Do some 90s if you want. Okay, now I'm going to show you a hard one, and we're going to end it off with the hard one. And this is step 1, and I'm going to show you so much more. So you're going to start off, pretend you're in a build battle, and you have a thing above you. So all you got to do is build up, place 2 pyramids, go around, edit the floor really fast, and go up. Do the same thing. And just do 90s. You can do it as much times as you want, but your opponent will catch on in what you're doing, and that's not what you want to do. You want to try to trick them a little bit. And yeah, guys. Oh, thank you for letting me teach you guys how to do 90s, ramp rushes, and how to get high ground. And I will see you guys in the next video.